Hi guys, it's Ray. I'm going to do an unboxing from Butterfly Lane Designs. I did not order anything, so I am assuming this is the sub box from, what are we in now, April? But I'm not sure. So we're going to get into it and find out together. Whoa, this is gorgeous already. And it is. First of all, let's just start at this color from Glitter Fetish, Litter Mist Chatterbox. Look at that hot pink. It's beautiful. So she put a letter in here. So let's look this over. Oh, look at that dragonfly. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Look at these neons, y'all. Wow. All right. So these are her UV DTFs. Oh my God. So we have a butterfly, Hello Summer, the crafter. I love this. I think I'm going to have a new cup. But I also love this. So maybe I'm going to have 2 new cups. I don't know. Anyways. I hope this box finds you well and feeling crafty. This box is a bit different than you are used to from me. I've wanted to do neon since mid last year, but I could never find a good spot to put it. And I was stressed that people wouldn't find as much inspiration in them as I do. I've been holding these prints for months and decided to just go for it. One thing about BLD I try to do is keep it different than other monthly boxes and prints. I don't want to follow other companies, but to lead by being a tad different in how I do things and what I offer in the boxes. I hope this box doesn't disappoint you. Next different thing you may notice is the decals. There are 4 UV DTF decals instead of 5 VC decals. They're just as bright and vibrant as the prints. By the time this box reaches you, I should also have an application video in the group, but by chance I do not, feel free to reach out and I'll be sure to help. The back side of this insert will have a set of instructions and helpful information. Thank you. Your continued support for me and BLD is more than I could ever properly define. I am sincerely appreciative of you. Thank you, Jessica at Butterfly Lane Designs and Print Co. And here are the instructions for the UV Crystal DTF prints. Crystal UV DTF prints. I am like dyslexic today. And these are available in gang sheets. There's a gang sheet builder. You can pull from her images or you can import your own. I'll go over the directions more when we're in progress rather than right now. So, I mean, look at this. Jessica, I'm not disappointed and I really appreciate you sending this to me. Look at this print. I mean, come on. Seriously? This is gorgeous. Holy wow. This one's gorgeous. Neon sunflowers, can't go wrong there. That would look beautiful with that. Look at this wood green. And these feathers are beautiful. And this one is just wispy and gorgeous. Holy, this is a lot of prints. This one's beautiful. More beautiful wood green. And some gorgeous roses. And oh my goodness, another like watercolor type one. Wow. No, I am for sure not disappointed, Jessica. I don't know why you think we would be. And somehow here it is. As I'm saying, somehow I've already managed to lose one. So I am working on a gang sheet of my own to do with glass wraps. But obviously these will go on epoxy tumblers. So yeah, I'm going to figure out what I want to put with what. Because I really want that one, and I really want this one. So that's a problem, because I really don't need 2 more cups for myself. And this is definitely going to go with this, and maybe paired with one of the wispy ones. So, yes. Yes to everything about this box. Thank you so much. I love it, and I can't wait to get started with these.